Minnesota gets hit with hail more than almost any other state. And yes, your homeowner's insurance covers it, but here's what catches people off guard. You might have a separate hail deductible of $4,000 to $8,000 sitting on your policy right now and have no idea it's there. That's not a typo. We're talking thousands out of pocket before the insurance even kicks in. By the time we're done here, you're going to know exactly what hail damage your policy actually covers, what it doesn't, and the three specific questions to ask your insurance agent today. That'll take about 5 minutes and tell you everything you need to know. So let's start with what's covered. Standard homeowners policies cover hail damage to your roof, gutters, siding, windows, even your air conditioning unit. If you've got a detached garage or shed, that's covered too, usually up to 10% of what your house is insured for. That part's pretty straightforward. Here's where it gets real. A lot of Minnesota policies now have what's called a separate hail and wind deductible. Instead of your regular $500 or $1,000 deductible, you might have one that's 1 to 2% of what your house is insured for. If your home is insured for $400,000, that's $4,000 to $8,000 you're paying before insurance helps. I see this surprise people at claim time all the time. You need to look at your declarations page and find the line that says windstorm and hail deductible. If there's a number there, that's the one that applies. Now, here's another thing that matters. You've got either replacement cost value or actual cash value coverage. Replacement cost means the full price to fix or replace it today. Actual cash value means that price minus depreciation. On a 12-year-old roof, actual cash value might pay you 40 or 50 cents on the dollar. Your roof costs 18,000 to replace. You might walk away with 8 or 9,000. That's a gap most people don't plan for. Minnesota is unique here. We rank at the top of the country for hail frequency and the severity of it. The Twin Cities down through southern Minnesota, you're in the bull's eye for this. The average hail claim in Minnesota is about $30,000. That's the highest per capita in the country. Insurers know this, which is why your premiums are going up faster here than most places, and why more companies are adding these separate deductibles and exclusions. The number one mistake I see is people assuming their hail deductible is the same as their regular deductible. It's not. They find out at claim time when the adjuster tells them they owe $8,000 instead of the 1,000 they thought. Second thing, people think cosmetic damage like dents in metal gutters or siding has to be covered. Some policies now have exclusions for cosmetic damage. Doesn't matter if you can see it. If it doesn't affect how the thing works, they might not pay. Don't wait for a storm. Call your agent today and ask 3 things. 1, do I have a separate wind and hail deductible, and what is it? 2, am I covered for replacement cost value or actual cash value on my roof? 3, do I have a cosmetic damage exclusion? 5 minutes, 3 questions. You'll know exactly where you stand. If you want a professional to walk through your policy with you, the link in the description takes you to our agency site. We're licensed in Minnesota, Illinois, Ohio, Wisconsin, Iowa, and Missouri. Takes about 3 minutes to get a quote.